Good morning. This is Tracy with Totally Trace, and I am here live. I'm going to demonstrate a card today using the gears and textures. I have loved playing with this set. I can't get over all the die cuts. And today I'm going to make a cute fun folds, and it's going to be super easy, but I think it's going to have a good impact. So hopefully it comes together the way I've been picturing it in my mind. So I do have the measurements here for you, and I say for you, but it's really for me when I'm cutting to remember. Make sure I get all the measurements right for you today. Again, I am using the Gears and Textures bundle. This is last call. I'll be sending out my weekly newsletter. We'll get the official last call to get the kit to make these 5 cards using that bundle. And then just as a reminder, the kit includes 6 sheets of 6x6 paper, and then you get the envelopes with all the cardstock cut, prepped, embossed, die cutted, everything for you. So the only thing that you need is basic supplies like adhesive, and then the stamps and inks, and almost all of them just use the sentiment. So easy for you to pull out your own supplies. And then I do have the option for you to add this set on if you would like to do that. So again, that link is in the comments. I'm only going to offer that kit for the next week. So if you want that, get that today. All right, for today's card, like I said, we're going to make a fun fold. So I'm starting with Night of Navy, and I'm going to cut it at 5.5 by 7 3/4. So 5.5. and 7 3/4. Oops, not score it, cut it. All right, and next we are going to score it. And on that long side, I'm going to score it at 2.5 by 6 and 6 3/4. So 2.5. And then 6 3/4. All right, so let me show you how this fun fold is going to come together. So now that we have it scored, you want it to look like that. Hi there, Karen. As you're popping in, say hi to me. I know Wednesday it wasn't showing me comments live. Hopefully today it will. All right, with this, you're really going to want to press down on that score because you're going to need this to stay folded. So you want it to stay as flat as possible. All right, now I'm going to cut the Designer Series paper, and it's going to be at 5 3/8. So I'm going to cut that first. So I'm just going to get rid of that little piece, and then you're going to cut it at 2 3/8. And if these 8s bother you, you can do 5 1/4 by 2.5, I think it would be. All right, so we need that. And then the other piece is going to be 7/8. And again, you can do 3/4 if that's easier. All right, I don't think we're going to need the trimmer anymore. Oh, I see Gayla's joined. Thanks for joining me today. All right, so here is the gist of our layout. All right, so super easy layout, but wait, the fun is coming. All right, and then this is going to be on the inside of the card, and this is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. Again, I'll just put those measurements for you. All right, so now we're going to use the Gears and Texture. These dies are amazing. I am especially loving them with the foil paper. So the silver foil paper, the gold foil paper, and then the earthen paper. They just make such fun gears. It works good, it works well with regular cardstock too. But for example, like look at this. So all I did was I used this one, And then today I'm using this one, and it punches out as, looks like this. And actually you're gonna need 2 of these. So I punched one out of silver, and then I just punched one out of gray because nobody's really gonna see that one. And I'm sorry my camera's jumping so much. I forgot to turn that feature off before going live today. And then we're gonna use this piece. And again, I needed 2 of them, but both of those do need to be the same color. And then to get, so let's see, I did cut out 2 of those. And then the last piece we're going to use is this. And to get that effect, I cut this, but when I cut it, I put this in the center. And I just ran it through all at the same time. Okay, so let me show you how those are going to come together. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and glue these pieces down. All right, I don't have time for glue bottles that don't have much. I'll use the last of that later. All right, so the white's going on the inside, and then we're going to glue these on the outside. This one looks like I cut it a little thin. Let me see. No, I did cut it. I'm going to cut another one. Let's try 1 inch. So I'm going to go 1 inch by 5 3/8. It was just giving me too much of a border with my Night of Navy paper. See, and that's too much. Oh, I know what I did. I cut it at 3/4, I bet, instead of 7/8. That was it. Okay. So the measurement was correct. The person cutting it was not. User error there. So yes, 7/8. Yes, that's what I wanted. I just want a tiny little frame of the Night of Navy. All right, stick with me, I promise. The fun part is going to come soon. Hi there, Gloria. All right, we're gonna glue these down, and I'm gonna center it right here. All right, let me get my silicone mat out. My eyes are not working yet this morning, and I can't tell if any glue is coming out. There we go. All right, now I've got a ton on the front. Good morning, Terry. Okay, and like I said, I am just gluing this, and I'm trying to center it and make it straight. Okay, and then we're going to attach this piece. And same thing, trying to get it straight on there. And then we're just going to cut off the excess. Come on. There we go. Okay, so it looks like this now. And here's what we're going to do is with these 2 pieces, I am going to put a Stampin' Dimensional right on the center there. And then we're going to put this over the top. I'm going to try my best to get it aligned correctly. All right, because now I'm going to slide this in. And the goal is the silver one is on top. Oh, I didn't catch this side. And the gray one is underneath. Okay, so it's going to hold the card together like that. And then these other pieces are going to get glued. And it is important that you glue these and don't pop them up, and I'll show you in a minute why. So I'm gonna put this one here. And then where did my other little one go? Aha. I was nervous there for a minute. You know, once it's live, they tend to vanish on you. And this one I'm going to put down here. My goodness, I'm heavy with the glue today. Ooh, very heavy with the glue. I might have to go over with some adhesive remover on this card. And then I'm just going to get a scrap white. And then I'm pulling out Words of Beauty because I do love this one. Hi there, Ellie. And I'm going to use I Think You're Amazing. Again, I keep saying it over and over again that this is my favorite sentiment set. I think it's just so versatile. It has so many sentiments. I love the different fonts. All right, and let's use Not Quite Navy. No, Night of Navy. Oh my goodness, I did that last week too. Hi, Amy. All right, I'm seeing no comments come through. I'm going to be so disappointed if none of you are talking to me. But again, it might be me. I'm just refreshing the page because, yeah, see, good morning, Terry. I don't know why they're not coming live to me anymore. All right. I'm going to stamp this off to the left because I don't know if I'm going to need this whole piece. I'll just trim this down. And we're going to glue it right there. All right, and then here is the fun part of this card. So right now it looks like that, but look, you can turn it so that it goes around on this. That's why I say you don't want to pop these up. And then we can go, it can turn to come back. Isn't that so much fun? And then you can just open the card. And then to close it, again, you're just sliding that piece right in there again. So this just allows us to get those gears moving. All right, oh, I'm getting something stuck right here. It might be my extra glue. All right, so there is today's card using Gears and Textures. Again, last chance to get that kit. So if you want to get the kit to make those 5 cards, the link is in the comments section. And then I will see you Wednesday. I will be live again with another card. And of course, check back every day for more posts and inspirations. Oh, Terry says cute. Thank you. All right, so I am seeing that one come through live. Weird. All right, thanks so much for joining. Thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you next time.